welcome to the 13th day of our 13 Days of Halloween series. I cannot believe this is the final project. I want to thank Rosa and Robyn for having me again this year for this series. I have so much fun creating all of these Halloween projects, so big hugs and shout outs to them. It's nice to have such good crafty friends. And the giveaway rules are in the description box below. Make sure that you are subscribed to all three of our channels, as well as leaving comments daily. I have created today is a folio, and I used Rose's pink Halloween digital paper collection. I also used a couple sheets from her Witches Halloween digital collection, and I think this stripe and the orange are from it, if I recall correctly. I mixed the two together a little bit, and this adorable little girl, puppy, and jack-o'-lantern, and a little owl, and the spooky are all from her ephemera that comes with the pink Halloween kit. So I chose to use all of those. I added the grass, and I cut out this frame. I can't remember if it's from Cricut or the Silhouette Design Store. I'll try to remember to link it in the description box below. And as I said earlier, I used this orange polka dot and striped, which is from the Witches Halloween collection. And it is a gatefold, and I do have magnets here and here. And so it opens like so. And this is just a paper I printed out from the pink Halloween, and it has this little witch, and it says Happy Halloween. So I did put a photo mat there, and I did put some photo mats over here with the orange. And this white with the orange polka dot may be from the Witches as well. So I'm trying to remember. And these just flip up like so, and the middle one flips up. This opens, has the little flaps that open up like that, and these open over here. And then we have this little cat that's already on the paper, which I love. So pretty. And then I just backed it with some pink paper, and you can see the candelabra, the stars, the little spiders, and the tombstones. And then back here are some pink pumpkins. It's just such a fun collection. And we'll slide this up here, and you can see the polka dot paper. And I love this. It's, you know, this is how the paper comes. It has spooky, the little pumpkins, the bats, and the little flying witches, which I think are adorable. And this flips down so you can see this. And this is, the paper comes with a little witch, so I didn't have to paper piece or anything. I just printed it out and put it there. Here's some more of the stripes, and I did put a couple photo mats there. And let's see here, I'm trying to get the very bottom. It just mirrors the top, and it flips over this way, and so you have the paper with little black cats and their hats and the pink polka dots. And then some more of the star paper and the candelabra and spiders. Oops. And over here, some more of the tombstone and spiders. And I just realized that I have spiders behind it, so I may change that out to something different. This is my folio. Thanks for watching and participating in our 13 Days of Halloween series. Rosa, Robyn, and I greatly appreciate it. We have enjoyed everyone's comments. I will be closing the hop on Saturday, October the 17th at 9 p.m. And I will announce the winner the following day, October the 18th at 11 a.m. I will post my video. Make sure to tune in to see if you are the winner. Thanks for watching, and have a spectacular day. Bye-bye.